Hello children, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to do handworks. Let's see now. There are two handworks. First one is the fruits activity, second one is the hat activity. In art and craft book, you can see page number 3 and page number 11. Turn pages and keep ready. First we are doing the fruits handwork. Look at this picture. What can you see? What are the fruits can you see? Tell me name of the fruits. Mango, yes. Apple, pears, what else? Orange, grapes. Very good children. What is the color of an apple? Its color is red. What is the color of mango? Its color is yellow. Okay children, let's start our first activity. For this activity you need red, yellow and green varnish paper and glue. Tear up the varnish papers into small pieces. There are red, green, yellow varnish papers. First take red color varnish papers and tear up into small pieces. Apple is a fruit. Its color is red. We are going to paste red varnish papers on the apple. Apple is a fruit. Its color is red. Okay, now take green color varnish papers. Tear up into small pieces. Tear up into small pieces. Leaves are green. Green color varnish paper we are going to paste on a leaf. Leaves are green. Okay, now take yellow color varnish paper. Tear up into small pieces. Mango is a fruit. Its color is yellow. Mango is a fruit. Its color is yellow. Yellow color varnish paper we are going to paste on mango. Mango is a fruit. Its color is yellow. Now we are ready to paste varnish papers on the apple. First apply glue on the apple. Like teacher, you can do it. Take glue and apply on the apple. Next, paste red varnish pieces on it. Take red varnish pieces and paste on it. When you are pasting, you can say, "This is an apple." Its color is red. You can say and paste. When you are pasting, you should not paste outside of the line. You should paste inside the line. When you are pasting, do it nicely. This is an apple. Its color is red. Take red varnish paper and paste on it. This is an apple. Its color is red. What is the color of the apple? Its color is red. What is this? This is an apple. Okay, children. Now let's do the leaf. Take green pieces of the paper and paste on the leaf. First you can apply glue. After that, take green pieces of paper and paste on the leaf. Say, leaves are green. Take green pieces of paper and paste on the leaf. Okay, children, now we have finished the apple. Now let's do the mango. First apply glue on the mango. Then paste the yellow pieces of paper on mango. Like teacher, you can do it. Take pieces of yellow papers and paste on mango. This is a mango. Its color is yellow. You can say and paste. What is the color of mango? Its color is yellow. This is a mango. Its color is yellow. Well done. We have finished first handwork. Now let's do second handwork. Children, do you know about witch? She is very scary person. She does not scare magic on people. There is a witch. She is wearing a hat. Shall we decorate her hat? Yes, children. For this activity, you need a blue crayon and star stickers. First, color the hat with blue crayon. Take blue color crayon and color it nicely. Don't color outside of the line. What is this? This is a hat. What is the color of hat? Its color is blue. Its color is blue. We are going to decorate hat. First, you have to color it nicely. This is a hat. Its color is blue. What is the color of hat? Its color is blue. Who are wearing hat? Girls are wearing hats. Take blue color crayon and color it nicely. Okay, now we are going to finish coloring hat. Okay, children, color it nicely. We have finished coloring the hat. Okay, now let's stick stars on the hat. Choose different colors stars like teacher. You can use different colors stars. Teacher is using yellow and red color. You also can use red or yellow, any color. Paste stars and decorate it nicely. Okay, children, we are going to finish pasting stars. Well done. Okay, children, now we have done all of our handworks. Hope all of you enjoyed today's lesson. Okay, see you. Bye.